Once, in a small village, there lived a young boy with a big dream to become a renowned artist. His passion for painting was immense, and he spent countless hours every day honing his craft. However, despite his efforts, his work lacked the depth and emotion that he admired in the paintings of famous artists. Determined to improve, the boy set off to meet a renowned artist in a nearby town. The artist, impressed by the boy's passion, agreed to take him under his wing as an apprentice. Under the artist's guidance, the boy learned valuable lessons about technique, emotion, and the importance of perseverance. Despite facing numerous rejections and setbacks, the boy never gave up. He continued to paint, pouring his heart and soul into the brush. He remembered the artist's words, that success is a journey, not a destination, and he remained steadfast in his pursuit of excellence. Years passed, and the boy's hard work finally paid off. He received an invitation to showcase his work at a prestigious art exhibition. His paintings, now filled with emotion and depth, captivated the audience and garnered praise from critics. The boy's story became an inspiration to many, a testament to the power of perseverance and dedication. He learned that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. Through his journey